Brewday again. So as the title says, today I'm going to be brewing up the Thornbridge Jaipur IPA, this bad boy. I'm going to be trying to recreate this by using that kit that I bought from Love Brewing. 21 quid I think. It was free delivery because I also ordered a sack of grain, Marisota. Big shout out to Darren from Love Brewing. I had a lot of problems with the delivery side of things, should we say, and he was spot on throughout. Great communication and sorted me out instantly, so thank you very much. So let's go through what we've got in the box. Here's the instructions, and for the Grainfather, you can use the water that is the water quantities that is recommended here, because it's only like 0.2 of a litre out. So mash water 16.2, Grainfather says 16.3 with a calculator, and sparge water is 15.6. It's quite a bit of hops, but not much in terms of quantities. Right, box. We've got 6 different charges of hops from Cascade, Chinook, Columbus, Simcoe, Atanum, and Centennial. Loads of hops. Also get a Protoflock, which I'm not going to be using. I'm going to be using Irish Moss. We've got Marisota pre-weighed and more Marisota pre-weighed and pre-crushed. Oh, it makes it so much easier. It's 68. I need to bump this up a bit more again. And we can mash in. Woohoo! Man. Now we're cooking. So that's the sparge underway. Should take about 20 minutes or so. We've got the yeast out of the fridge. A whole 20 grams of beer yeast, British ale yeast. Don't know what it is, but you'd think it'd be, I would have thought they'd use something like USO5 to get the hops to pop, but I'm going to use this anyway, see what it's like. These are all the hops, and apart from the first edition, the rest are just thrown in at flame out. This water's looking very clear. Let's get this onto a boil. 2 things I haven't seen on this kit so far. We're at the boil. It doesn't tell you what temperature to ferment at, so I'm going to aim for 20 degrees. And also, it doesn't say on the information itself, where I can see, or on these instructions, what size batch it's for. And when I looked on the page itself from Love Brewing, there's a photo of the kit, and right in the small print it says a very random batch size of 22.7 litres. That's what I've dialed this in for anyways, 22.7 litres. Right, just stirring this in, and then we can add our first hops. So when we go with the first hops, and this is a 75-minute boil. Right, back in 75 minutes. Oi, what are you doing? There we are, we're at the end of the boil. As you can see, it's a bit steamy in here. Extractor fans struggling keeping up. Let's turn the heating element off first. Dump all the hops in and just let it stand for about 20 minutes. Nice and quiet, isn't it? It's been about 20 minutes, maybe 25 minutes. Just going to let this recirculate for a bit, just to sterilise the counterflow chiller. And then following that, we shall chill it down and chuck it in the fermenter. Which reminds me, I need to sterilise. Also, getting one of these wartometers, absolutely brilliant. You can see the temperature on there. That's reading the wort out temperature. So then as soon as I've got that dialed in to 20 degrees, I can chuck it in the fermenter then. So we're currently at 17 degrees, dialing back the cooling water. And I'll increase the pump speed as well. I'm taking any measurements. Refractometer up here. Tilt hydrometer as well, might as well use that. Water's looking very, very clear. 1.052? 53? 1.060 original gravity. Wow, I'm a few points off. Few points off. I haven't calibrated this in a while, maybe that's the issue. I don't know, I'm getting very lazy with taking measurements and worrying about ABVs and stuff of late. As you can see on the board there, there's no ABV marks on there. I know one of them's about 6 and the other one's about 5. Right, let's pitch the yeast into this. 20 grams is quite a bit. So that is some footage of how to brew this kit. Join me for the tasting video. I'm going to be putting this on keg. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Iechyd.